Hey Sparkle fans, welcome to another episode of Sparkle Twist Toy Time, and today we have Barf and Belch, yay! From How to Train Your Dragon. This is the DreamWorks from Playmobil. I am so excited. I have been dying to do this one. I finally got it. So I just love them. They are so much fun. They are so silly and just silly. And then we also have bonus blind box. All right, so let's get started and open them on up. All right, and then of course we have the two twins, and they are just the fun little riders. All right, and then here's all their accessories. They come with a boat, some weapons, fish, their saddles, and that's it. So let's start on with opening. All right, oh, there we go. I do believe Tough Nut and Rough Nut are my favorite two riders of a whole bunch. Their pranks and ridiculousness just make everything so much better. They are always willing to do whatever it takes. Oh, we're almost there. All right. There we go. Oh my gosh, this is huge. So big. All right, we are in the dragon nest. There we go. We'll set that back there. Let's see. So here we go. Got our lovely little instructions on how to do everything. And let's see what these are. Oh, they're just little books and some other stuff. And oh look, that's the whole How to Train Your Dragon team. We've actually almost got the whole collection. Yay! I think all we're missing is fish nut. Or I'm sorry, fish leg. And meat leg. They're so cute. Alright, let's do this. Get all that out of there. That's just a ton of little pieces there. Oh my goodness. Let's see, what do we need to do to get that all assembled? All right. All right, so it looks like we just put that on in there. And then we connect. Oh no, it fell out. Let's try that again. There we go. We slide the two together and it makes a nice little ball. Let's just bring that on in. There we go. All right, and so just repeat all the way around. Whee! Almost. There we go. This is a pretty neat little throwing device. Oh, I got it. There we go. That's cool. I like this. Whoa, and just chunk it. All right, so there's one. Oh, we got like all these fishes for our hungry dragon. All right, now let's figure out where these things go. We'll save Barf and Belch for last. Oop, here we go. Let's see what all this is about. Okay, oh, we got a saddle, some oars, another saddle, whatever these are. A basket for our fish. There you go. One fish, two fish. Red fish, blue fish. All right. Ooh, that might all go for our boat. Ooh, let's set up our nice little boat. Let's see. Oh, you go right here in the middle. That around. Papa, look. Papa, look. that in. One more over here. There we go. Then we can just stick our oars in there. So we won't, oh, my bad. That part goes in. That way they can move them around and not lose them. Having a Betsy, that'd be terrible. Oh, that's nice. Stroke, stroke, stroke. All right, ooh, we're missing these little pieces. Let's see if they're in here. Oh, we got so much more in here. Ah! Ooh, we even got more sheep. We're gonna have one competition at the end of all this. Oh, here we go. We got our little horse heads. Go on each end. Ah! Tough nut is down. There we go. Is that all the pieces to our boat? I think so. We got a nice little sheep. Ah, little target there. You can hang out right there, little sheepy. All right, so we got Tough Nut. That hair is so soft and flexible. I like it. All right, so let's see which helmet does Tough Nut have. Oh, looks like they are both exactly. Nope, they're not exactly the same. Right, there's a little bit of a curve right there. So this one is Tough Nut's. And let's give him a little spike. Oh, see if we can slide it in there a little bit. There we go. Awesome. Tough Nut is ready to go there. Let's see. You can have a lance. Oh no, maybe not. All right. Come set you here on the boat. All right, there he goes. He's all ready to go. I like that he's got his little necklace, little jacket, boots on. I love the helmet. His helmets are always so cool. His lance ready to throw. So just hang out over here for a minute, Tough Nut. Oh, that helmet does not want to stay on. All right. Then we got Rough Nut over here. Her beautiful long hair. She has so much hair and it's nice and soft and flexible and all those little intricate braids. So let's get your helmet. Slide that little piece in there. Toss that on. There we go. Oh, you'll have cufflinks. Let's get some cufflinks going. Baby. Why? Why? Helmet is gone. We have lost our helmet. There we go. There we go. Now we got some cool blue cufflinks. And then she has a cool little vest there along with her little jacket. That's awesome. Let's see, ooh, you can have this one. You can throw that. There she goes. She's ready to throw. Tough Nut, would you like some cufflinks too? Here, we'll lay your weapon right over here. You could use the gray ones. They'll totally match your helmet. It'll be awesome. There you go. All right, get back over here. Don't lose the boat. Don't. All right, so where do these little pieces go? I don't know. Okay. All right, so we've got all our peoples all together, so let's go for our dragons. All right, Rough Nut, Tough Nut, come hang out there for a minute. Then we've got extra cufflinks if we want to. Let's prepare the boat. So now, let's get our wings undone. These are so cool, just nice green wings. They're huge, huge. All right, and then we've got our awesome dragon here. It is a sippleback. They're just so cute. They got the two heads. They can move. Let's see, opens up. Oh, look at that cute little tongue in there. There you go. They're just super adorable, and this one is just such a big one. I can't believe the size. Let's see. There we go. So let's go ahead and put in the wings. Oh! These can be kind of ornery to snap in. There we go, there's one. Watch out, twins. That tail is huge, it'll get you. There we go. All right. Oh, I like their head. That just rotates like crazy there. All right. All right, so let's get their little saddles on there. Here is another one. And then horns. Just slide in. Oh, and they are super flexible. Look at that. You can just bend them all kinds of ways. Wow, I'm just taking you two out left and right back there. Almost. All right, last piece. Remind me over here. All right. This one is just so cool. There we go. They are ready to go. So come here. Here you go, Tough Nut. Let's get you on here. You and your helmet. What are we gonna do? Grab onto those horns. All right. You gotta put down your weapon, dear. All right. Let's get Rough Nut on. There we go. Grab onto the horns, you don't want to fall off. There we go. So they are ready for flight now. And they could just wander around on the ground. They could eat. Yummy! Awesome. So these are twins, Rough Nut, Tough Nut with Barf and Belch. This is definitely my favorite so much for the Playmobil How to Train Your Dragon series. Of course, I just love them anyways. But I really like this setup. It's pretty cool. It's so big. So super cute. I love it. Alright, so now time for our bonus blind box. This is from the movie How to Train Your Dragon 2. And I hope, fingers crossed, we get the Barf and Belch in here. These are just Funko Mystery Minis. So that'd be awesome if we got a Barf and Belch with our Barf and Belch. Mostly so far we've gotten Astrid, we got a Monstrous Nightmare, and then we've got Hiccup in here. So I'm really hoping to get a Barf and Belch because that would be totally awesome. All right, here we go. Put it on. The force is strong with us today. This is so cool. We got a Barf and Belch mini ones. Oh, look at those faces. One looks so happy and one is so sad. So this is totally awesome. I'm very excited. I got what I wanted. Look at that. It's like a baby with them. This one just looks so cool. I love the wings. I love the tails. I love that face. They are great together. There you go. It's like you have a baby. Alright, so that's it for today, y'all. I hope you had a sparkle-tastic time. Join me on another episode. And make sure to write in the comments below who your favorite How to Train Your Dragon is. And if you've gotten anything from the Playmobil series, remember to like and subscribe so you can join me for more episodes. Sparkle later!